have seen the Mizo chief. Chief has to look after the village and the villages, and during that time the chief played an important role in the Mizo society. For a long time ago, Mizo people used to have chief. We, the Mizos, are the head hunters, and here are Pasocha, they are brave and do not fear of anything, and because of them, the villagers also live peacefully. When there was a war between the North and the South during the year 1856, the village of Naupang was attacked by Buddha and Koiko. The chief's son, Lalaya, was captured along with him. Many villagers were caught for the slave. As time passed, foreigners made tea garden in Alexandria before a man named James Winchester, father of Mary Winchester, was attacked by Winkwaya and his men. They captured Mary Winchester, but she was taken back after 1 year. In the year 1894, missionaries reached Mizoram from foreign countries. They bring the gospel to Mizo people. They were given a warm welcome by the people. In Mizoram, the first census was done in the year 1901. At that time, the total population of Mizoram was 82,434. There are Lusei, Hoi, Rate, and Paite tribe. During that time, around 70,000 people worshipped evil spirit. In the year 1906, revival comes when the whole villages of Kandari in the river. They sing and dance of joy. Besides this, there are 3 or 4 times revival in Mizoram. The year between 1970 and 1980 was a time when the Mizo people admired the Zosa, and it was also the time they became viral. During this time, there was a great change in fashion. They copied the Western style. Camera was there, and they even wanted to show their wristwatch in their photos. And now here we have different kinds of dress worn by the Mizos.